Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. Ho ha 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 ha. Ho ha ha ha.
I love our heart formation.
In the dawn of a new year, 5 ducks take flight, waddling forth in their feathers so bright. With laughter and quacks they embrace the day as fireworks shimmer and night slips away. The first duck named Joy fluffs her soft plume, chasing dreams in the sunlight that banish all gloom. She dances on water with splashes of cheer, her heart full of hope for what's drawing near.
Look at that golden one.
Next comes Wise Quack with wisdom profound. He speaks of the journeys where memories abound. Let's cherish our moments, he softly declares, for time is a treasure that nobody spares. The third little duck is called Laughter so sweet. Her giggles resound like a rhythmic heartbeat. With each playful flap and each joyous dive, she shows us how joy makes our spirits alive. Then there's brave heart who stands firm and tall. Through storms and through trials he'll conquer them all. With courage as armor against shadows of fear, he leads his dear friends to new pathways this year. The fifth one is Dreamer with stars in her eyes. She whispers of worlds where enchantment lies. Let's soar past horizons, she sings soft yet clear. In this vast universe we'll chase every sphere. Together they waddle through fields kissed by dew, each moment unfolding with wonders anew. They splash in reflections of hopes intertwined. 5 ducks on New Year with hearts
Happy
unconfined.
New Year, everybody.
So raise up your voices and join in their song. Embrace every blessing, let love be your throng. For life is but fleeting like ripples
Stay
that
together,
flow.
young
Hold
children.
tight to your dreams.
The way is clear and safe
as you
as long
welcome
as we follow the path.
tomorrow. Ho ah ha 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 ha. Ho ah ha 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 ha. Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.